Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I will finally complete the gloss carbon fiber on the exterior of my Tesla Model 3. I currently have them on the side fender camera and side view mirror covers and also splitter in the front. So only one part that is missing are the door handle right here. It would be a really good flow to get that whole effect from here to here and to here going on. So today I will install the carbon fiber. It's a real carbon fiber cover for all 4 door handles on my Tesla Model 3. In this video, I will show you a closer look of the quality of that real carbon fiber door handle covers, and then step by step easy installation, and then we'll see the whole final look on this Tesla Model 3. Let's go. Okay, let's take a closer look of this real carbon fiber covers for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. First thing first, I gotta give it to T-Lord with their packaging, because I didn't expect this individual slot, foam protection, and big box for this 4 little pieces of carbon fiber. I was expecting probably small box, just put them together, but somehow protected. But this really nice. All right, let's open each of them and see the quality. As you can see here, each of them have pre-installed adhesive to stick on the door handle. Here's a closer look of the quality. It's really nice quality. Way better than I was expecting, actually. Alright, now we see the quality, we see the closer look. Let's install them on my Tesla Model 3. Before we start the installation, let me show you where I got this real carbon fiber door handle covers from. I got it from T-Lard or TLYARD.com, and they have both for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So if you are interested in this product, you can use my special discount code TC15 to get that extra 15% off. And I will also list the rest of the exterior carbon fiber pieces in the description down below, and use the same discount code for that 15% off. All right, now let's continue with the installation. So before we can install the handle covers, we have to clean the surface first. So you will need clean towel, a cleaning solution, and rubbing alcohol. So first thing first, just spray a little bit of cleaning solution and then clean the surface of the door handle, and then let it dry a little bit. Then you apply the rubbing alcohol on the towel, and then just clean the surface again. Make sure there's no dust, so when we apply the adhesive on, it will stay on for a long time. Okay, now we just have to remove the adhesive cover on the inside, just like that, and then mash it really good. Make sure it's all straight, and then just apply the pressure on. All around. It should stick really well now. There you go. Done. Really simple. Okay, now we just have to install all 4 of the handles. Okay, so the installation is done. Really simple and really easy to install. Now let's take a look at this complete carbon fiber look. So the gloss carbon fiber door handle covers just completed the whole carbon fiber look on my Tesla Model 3's exteriors. It looks really good, really easy to install, and the quality is great. Alright, I'll put the link in the description down below for this products from T-Lord, and also special discount code for you. And thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future contents. We'll see you on the next video.